Klaro ba mga kapatid? Alam nyo, sa totoo lang, huwag nyo isipin na in my YouTube channel, yung new, you can see, maliit lang yung subscriber. Sabihin ko sa inyo ng totoo, hindi ko may desire akong mag-vlogger. Pero, hindi ko yun, yung when I'm talking about scripture, hindi ganun ang mindset ko nga to gain sa many people, followers, to listen to what I'm sharing, what I have learned from the word, from the Torah. It's not for making money. So I share because the goodness of Elohim. When I was beginners in the Torah, talagang walang I was so really empty everything. I know some doctrines from the Christianity because I was born again. So, it's just an open book to me when I learn the Torah. When we read the Torah every Shabbat. So now, these videos na ako concerning my sharing about the word, about the current events is not for making money, brethren. It's not so. I don't make money in the word of Elohim. Because Elohim, kung unsay gipaabot, whatever He has brought me some good things in my life, because I don't gain, followers. If somebody if there is, kung makakuha, what I mean is, kung makashare ko mga videos concerning sa word, is to share. I don't let people believe me or not. It's up to you. That is your soul. Kung asa imong soul na ag-uhaw, wherever your soul is in thirst, go there. If there's something good things that you can get from it's not my. It is just a revelation in me and I want to share. So if you don't agree from that, it's fine. I'm not asking to be yung mutuo mo dahil nako, you believe me. No, because we have our level of understanding is di ta parehas. We are not the same. Because it depends on our work. It depends on us. How do we decide the truth of Elohim? How do we decide the light of Elohim to be revealed in His people? So, if you are seeking from that, you are thirsty in your soul, kamoy nasayod sa inyong walk, sa inyong journey, sa kabayan sa journey ninyo ngadto sa Elohim with Mashiach, with now, ang atong Mashiach, Yeshua, our, the one who, like Moshe. If you understand Moshe, he lead the children of Israel physically. But now, in our time, it is Mashiach, is Yeshua Mashiach, who lead us into our way to the promised land. So this is why the Torah is working. This is why we have Moshe. What is the reason Moshe was not able to enter to the promised land? Because there was purpose from that. Why Moshe, the reason was there in the physical was, he was not able to, he was angry with himself, with the children, because of the children of Israel, their stiff-neck, their stubbornness, they don't listen. Because why there was struggle? Why there was struggle in Moshe's time with the children of Israel? Because the children of Israel are still carnal. They are still looking back in Egypt. Nice food. They can do whatever they want. They want the manna. They want the manna of Elohim. And the manna, the divine bread coming down from heaven, it really nourish our body. Physically, it can nourish their body physically with all. Elohim is the one who sustain them. And they don't have, wala sila masatisfy, ana. Because why? They are not able to remove the evil inclination. They want, me. No, they don't think. Elohim has given them the divine, we have this, we should atong mo bitong ipameditate ang Torah so that kita naatay good conscience. What is the good conscience? The good conscience unto Elohim. Because He has not given us life for us to make us our own world. And this is what happened today. People, they go their own way. They don't want to have relationship with Elohim, the one who gives life to them, the one who gives breath on them. They don't want. They just go their own way. I do that. I do that. I do that. I don't care. And not because you're in the Torah that you just pick like you want. It's not so. You pick like you want. If you are a good ground in your heart, you have to receive. You have to know to till the ground. This is what we are doing here. To till the ground so that you will have a good fruit. And the same what Yeshua said with this parable in the sower. The sower. What does he say? What does he say? Yeshua. Yeshua said, if you have a good ground, good heart to what? To receive with your seed, that it will bear good fruit in your life, in our life. And this is what happened. This is what happened. Because you can see, I will tell you, in the planting, you see there we have a small tomato. There is a big tomato. It grows so fast. What's happened? Because it depends on our heart. If you have a ground which is not good, they are fertilized, it's not good cultivated, this is what happened. Na-south siya, na-south. Wa katubo. But the other one, you see how fast it is? They're so fast to grow. Because this one, they're the same. When we planted them, they're the same height. And now that one is more taller than this one. You see? This is why the good ground, how we cultivate ourselves, and not to reject. Do not reject when you receive something. Let it run and trust. This is a building up of imuna of Elohim. Imuna, trusting faith unto Elohim. This is our life, to build imuna, to build relationship to the one who gives life to us. It's a privilege. You do not. I realize that life we have now is more on relationship to our fellow men, especially in the body of Messiah, especially unto Elohim, unto Mashiach. Because as a body, you know what is the body of Messiah. So this is supposed to be our job, so that we can be fit in the body. This is what Charles said, to fit in together in the body. We are living stone. Living stone, the temple of Elohim. This is how we fit. When we fit with that, we become ihad unto Yeshua and unto Elohim, unto Mashiach, unto Elohim. This is where the light can channel from the source, the creator, down to Mashiach and to us in the body of Messiah here on earth. Because this is what gives light to the world. Because if you see the world today, all this outside who have not received yet Mashiach, the Torah, even they are still in the fleshy life. The mind is still in the world. What to do to fight all this government because of the abuse what they are doing. And some they don't know what's going on. The thing is still coming there is pa coming normal. Walang normal. We're in the birth pangs. You know what is a birth pangs? Birth pain. Pag nagkaduol na siya, and then it will explode na, lalabas yung baby, the give birth, the birthing na. So this is why in my sharing in this video is not for making money. Because if I'm making money, it's long time ago. I have problem with this myself, because sometimes in the beginning I was shy. So now more and more it gives me confidence to speak with others with the word from the word of Elohim. So I just share my videos, especially in my Facebook, or those who have people who are close to me. I am sharing to them. People I have relationship, my family, those who I know people, I share to them. But not all. I don't share all if they want to go to my channel, then you can listen there if you want. So this why, as I said, when I share, is not for money. It's not about money. It's about the goodness of Elohim, what He has revealed unto me from studying the Torah. Because when you seek, you are thirst for the word of Elohim. Because myself, I cannot agree what I am doing here on earth. What I'm doing here on earth is just to make money, to live, to eat, conserve, build a house, whatever, to have all these material things. Is just to satisfy. Is that my happiness? It's not my happiness. That's not my happiness. To buy whatever you want, car like that. That is not a happiness for me. My soul is not thirsting for that. My soul is thirsting for the word. My purpose in life here on earth. What is our purpose? What is the soul is doing inside of this physical body, in this mortal body? What is this doing inside? What we are doing here is to understand why the breath of life, what Elohim has given us. This is what we have to understand. Because, friends, what are you doing? You just run your life. You're burning your candle. Do you know that? It's like burning your candle until hantod na maupos na, until the candle is going down, and then is finish your life. It's not so with Elohim. Elohim is light. Elohim is light. He gives life. It's life. If you are with Elohim, you have life. He is the owner of our breath of life. So this is why I'm trying to understand that, and I know that is in His word. What is the purpose in life? So give example. Look, this is what I said many times. Our heart must be ready for anything. And anything that we can put seed. Whatever seed come, a seed, not the tares. Not the tares that the devil will plant on our hearts. What is with the devil planting in our hearts? This is all in the physical world. What we see, the cares of life. This is what we have to careful with that, to guard ourselves, to cultivate ourselves to the Torah of Elohim. The seed must be cultivated to be, water. We water that, so that well, how do we water? This is what Shaul said. What the pastor of Shaul, the Torah, to water, so that it will grow. Elohim will give increase. He's the one who give increase from these plants we have now. He's the one who give increase. Here it's a beans. This is a tomato. Then we have a cucumber. So it's Elohim who give increase. Do you have a control with that to give increase? No, you follow the process. How to plant the seed. They will grow and give bear fruit, good fruit. Good fruit. This is what you want in your garden. What you plant. Good fruit. Because if you don't prepare the ground, the same on our heart. Prepare the ground. If it's not a good ground, doesn't receive, doesn't water with the Torah of Elohim. What is that? It will not grow. There's no life. It will not life. Look at that, the south. Huh? What is the life? It doesn't grow grow like it should be. That's why it grows fine. That one, there's flowers already. There we have already some tomatoes coming out. But here is too small. You see here, this one is too small. Look at this row. They are so small. You can see it. I will show you. So this is why the heart is important. How we receive the good things of Elohim. This is a matter of receiving. You trust Elohim. You trust Elohim. You try to cultivate your soul. You read the word. You read the Torah. You meditate the Torah. And you let it, whatever you encounter people in your life, try to take what is good for your soul. We don't learn doctrine here. We try to connect with Elohim, to connect with His light. This is what we are doing. We are building something to be in the light. You know what is the array of the light? This is we want to be on that, so that we can be in harmony with our Father, the one who gives life, harmony, and not with building our own world, building our own world, building our own wall because of doctrine. No, if you're learning, we have to learn from this. I'm cleaning here to remove all the grass. Why I'm cleaning? Why I remove all the grass? Why? Why are removing the bad grass around the plants? Why? It's because if there is many grass, nga mo, ano niya mo, musagol, ug tubo, ang iyang nutrients, dili siya ma-priority, di siya ma-focus, ma-distribute ang nutrients sa kuan. Mag-share sila sa ilahang kuan nutrients. So, this why you have to remove para siya mag-continue siya, iyaharas siya mismo. This why we have to remove the bad grass in the plants. The same po na sa tong life, we have to remove the bad grass, the bad people around us that doesn't give good to our soul. Dili maghatag og maayo sa atong soul. What is written in what Shaul said? Bad company corrupt, di ba? Bad company corrupts. So the same po na diri sa plant. Bad company, bad grass, corrupt sa own fruit, sa imong plants. So this is how very beautiful the word of Yeshua, the word of the apostles, especially Shaul. You can learn a lot to parallel those. It's very beautiful, the creation of Elohim. Very beautiful if you understand deep. Elohim is so very deep. And this is what we have to search to find out the heart of Elohim. How, why? What is the purpose that He has given you life? What is the purpose He has given you a breath of life? That is. So, try to think, mga kapatid, brethren, is a very beautiful story of Elohim toward He has given life. And those who search will find diamonds, gold, all these precious stones that soon will be in the kingdom of Elohim. O, diba? Beautiful ang word sa Elohim. Beautiful if you're reading with that. So that's all for today. The reason that I don't make money in the word of Elohim. The reason I don't make word of the is to share with you the goodness of Elohim. If that can shine on your soul, if your soul receive that, and thanks be to Elohim, because He is the one. What I receive is not from me. It is from Elohim. It is from His light who reveal in me. If you are revealed from that, then we can be in the light of Elohim is more and more light. What will shine in our life. So when all this darkness around us, it will not come. Because this is why if you are in the light of Elohim, who can be against you? Darkness cannot, there's no darkness. If there's no darkness, if there is light in you, darkness cannot come. Do you understand that? Darkness cannot come if there is light in you. So, the darkness, they will not come to you. They will go back to the world, to the physical world, to the mortal world, to the all what is fed by these earthly things. That is very dark there. So if you want to be in the light, you have peace of mind, the true shalom from above, because that is from the light of Elohim. The shalom, there's no shalom outside in the world. Why? In the earth. Why? You can see that how chaos is it now. You want to all buy all this new gadget? That is what is your happiness? To buy a new house? That is what is your happiness? To buy a new car? That is happiness of the people? No, that is a happiness for temporary happiness that your soul will not thirst from that at the end. Because it will have no contentment. Kung ikaw nag-search ka, ug maoran ang tao, manarigikuan niya, so it means, he is living from this dark world. Mora na iyang goal sa iyang kinabuhi, he is living in the dark world. He is outside from the light of Elohim. If you are not taking the crumbs of like this lady in the Brit Kadasha who take the crumbs from the master, and it's not worthy to receive. This is how we humble ourselves. But outside, they are not desiring the light of Elohim. Because why? They are in the dark. in the darkness. They want to have that the light. This is a life of darkness, not in the life of the light of Mashiach and to our Creator. And this is what we should be, our soul. To mukuha tag source ba? Dili nang source sa gawas nga mag-struggle tag pangitag trabaho para makakaunta, hago-hago na. So we have to trust Elohim because Yeshua give how to live by faith. To live by imuna. The just live by imuna. Because he feed the birds. You know, the birds, they are so free, the birds. They just eat the fruits from the trees. You see? They don't plant. It's Elohim who give them. It's Elohim who bear fruit. So how for us? I don't know. We have to trust Elohim how He will give us food in the time to come. Okay? Shalom, shalom. I just show you our garden.